The facility here in Jeffersonville is kind of our lead e-commerce facility. It's about 800,000 square feet in total. We do e-com fulfillment, B2C and B2B orders for fulfillment across North America. As everybody knows, online ordering is going through the roof these days. Labor is in a short supply. So we have a labor shortage as well as a wage inflation. So we needed to automate to kind of reduce that impact. But the reason why we chose Locus is ease of doing business. They cut through the chase very quickly. They do the data analysis very quickly, and from the time of order to install is a very short lead time. The second one would be ease of integration, and then the third, it just fits the business profile very, very nicely.
So this e-commerce facility was really a great fit for Locus because of all of the high velocity of each picking.
There's a lot of reduced travel time. We're able to concentrate more on picking, so we can stay in one focused area and pick and let the robots transform them back up to the pack stations.
Our customer that uses the bots is an apparel company out of the West Coast, and the customer loves it. They've been extremely happy with the increased efficiencies, output, and the labor savings. And the accuracy is greatly improved as well.
We do have SLAs that we have to meet, so the Locus robots help us get the orders out when we have to get them out to avoid penalties and obviously increase customer satisfaction.
Prior to the Locus bots, we were at 30 to 40 units per hour per picker. We're now in the range of anywhere from 120 to 150 units per hour. We've also increased our volume and throughput and increased our visibility to what's happening on the floor. So the dashboards have been one of the really cool things about having Locus.
So in terms of the dashboard that's provided, it's really good data that we can make operational decisions on.
I use the dashboard data mainly to keep track of productivity. It also allows us to know where we stand for the day and how many people I need to add or take away based on our volume.
This customer is a startup, so they sometimes have difficulty forecasting, and we're able to help them with that by taking the data from some of the Locus reports and giving them some information about ordering patterns. The Locus solution for us has been really great because it allows us to peak up and down, so it's been a great fit for us to be highly flexible and adaptable to the change that's happening with this customer.
So during peak season, Locus can send in temporary bots, and then when we're done with peak, they send them back. So it's very easy to scale.
We really enjoy the fact that Locus has a robots as a service model. Robots as a service for us also allowed our customers not to have a huge upfront capital expense. They can roll that cost into their operating expense and again peak up and down as needed. During our peak season, we were able to increase our throughput by about 55% over our normal processing day here, and we were able to handle the throughput and the volume with a lot less temporary workers than we were the previous years.
We can bring people in off the street in terms of hourly workforce and have them picking product at a high rate within a couple of hours.
From an employee morale retention perspective, we do find that the employees enjoy working with the robotics, and so we do have a smaller turnover rate.
People are excited to actually be working with the robots, the new technology, cutting down on their actual physical labor and moving from spot to spot.
It's much more efficient to pick with the robots because the only thing you have to do is walk up to it, read the screen, pick the shirt, put it in there, and hit confirm, and that's all you have to do.
I trained my people in 5 minutes tops on how to actually work with the iPad on the actual robot.
The client's direct feedback around the robots has been extremely positive. They're happy to be on the cutting edge of tech.
We want to convert human interactions to more value-creating work versus what we call waste, walking, extra touches, extra movements. So Locus is going to help us get there and optimize our labor force as we move into the future.